Hi everyone, Uplands Car Radios in Cardiff here. You join me in this 2018 Hyundai i10. We have just finished fitting this lovely Kenwood DMX6523DABS. This car had the infamous sat-nav unit that failed, so you're looking at around £4,000 to £5,000 for a replacement from Hyundai, or you can come to us and we can sort you out with one of these lovely units. This model has wired and wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, meaning the customer now has live maps, can use Spotify, Waze and much more. Come out of here. Some more features of this radio include digital radio as well. Just show you some of the channels the customer can choose from. Loads of channels on there. Come out of here. Some more features of this radio include wireless mirroring, your usual FM, AM radio as well, Bluetooth audio for phones that aren't Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. We've also kept the original USB port working down there. We've also kept the original steering wheel buttons working as well. This model comes with a 3-year extended warranty if installed by a pro install dealer such as ourselves. If this is something you're interested in for your car, please get in touch.